What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another hair tutorial. So I wanted to do a really cute Valentine's Day inspired hairstyle, but for my natural girls. So this is a cute updo that you could do for Valentine's Day or Galentine's, whichever one that you're celebrating. It's classy, chic, and super cute. And it was easy to do. Yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I did this cute style, then just keep watching. I was created for this. Hey y'all, so jumping right into this tutorial. So of course I'm starting this style off with freshly washed hair. So I just washed my hair and now I am going to section it off into 4 sections. It is a must. Dealing with long hair, dealing with thick hair, section it off so that it just helps you speed up the process. So I'm going to do my 4 sections and then we're going to go ahead and get started on blow drying this hair out because I do want to do this style on a stretched hair. So I'm going to be using the TPH Hot Commodity Heat Protectant. Y'all, I love this heat protectant. I use it for just about any style where I'm going to be putting heat on my hair. So I just spray it on there, I comb it through, and then I start blow drying my hair with my Revlon brush blow dryer. Y'all, this blow dryer gets my hair really straight, and I love it. I don't think I will go back to a regular blow dryer. Do y'all see how straight this is? Like no products, nothing, just heat protectant and a good blow dryer. Okay, so now we're gonna go right back into sectioning off in 4 sections again because that's how I like to work. So I'm gonna be using these flexi rods to give me the curls that I want. I'm also going to be using this foaming mousse just to hold my curls in place. You guys can use whatever foam you want, but I need to use this. It was in my stash, so I'm going to use this one. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm going to take some foam and I'm going to put it on one section, and I am going to start wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. So I'm going to show y'all again. It's real simple. I just take a piece of hair, one little section, and then I'm going to put some foam on there. Not too much to make it like really wet, but just enough to just make the curl stay on the flexi rod, and then I'm going to roll it on there like a spiral type of curl, just because I want my curls to hang a little longer. Okay, so once I finished rolling my hair in the rods, I did let it air dry. It did not take a long time to dry because I did start off on dry stretched hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these rods out, and I just unraveled them the same way that I twisted them up. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna be putting some shine into my hair with this Dew Shine Mist. For certain styles, I like to spray the oil on my hair just so that I don't have a lot of frizz. I didn't want to create too much frizz, so that's why I chose that. And y'all, I started noticing that my curls were a little tighter than I know I wanted them to be. So I wanted to comb them out, and y'all, I had to improvise. I was like, okay, how am I going to stretch these curls? So I did get the idea to, pull it up as like a pin curl, sort of. So I did that to the front, and then I kind of improvised the back. I knew I wanted to comb the curls out because they were like too tight. I wanted them to be loose. So I combed them out, and then I used a heatless curl, one of those heatless curl formers that I have. I use that to like wrap my hair around. That way it stretches the curls a little more. So if you don't have this, then I would just suggest you do a different method to stretch your curls, or do a different flexi rod. Like if I would have did some bigger ones, then the curls would have been exactly like I wanted them to be. But I had to, I had to keep the style going because I was not about to let this be a failed hairstyle. All right, y'all. So it's the next day, and it's time to take this heatless curl former out of my hair. So all I do is I unravel the bottom, and then I just pull it out. So once you do that, the curls kind of stay in place, and as y'all can see, it did stretch my curls to like how I wanted them to look. They're long. I did lose a lot of curls, but they are long like I wanted them to be. So now we're going to go ahead and style this and pull it up into a ponytail. This always takes me a long time, okay? Gathering all my hair up for a ponytail is you got to have some arm strength for this. Okay, so at this point, for my girls that have shorter hair, if you do want to do this style, this is the part where you would go ahead and add the hair in. But for my girls that have longer hair, I just put my hair up in a bun in the back. That way my hair is not hanging so long, and it's still like a curly, kind of like a curly puff or a curly ponytail look. So that's what I do, and I just secure it in the back, and the curls will fall over that little bun, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, if you have a good edge control, this is the time where you will use it. But because I am still shopping around for a good edge control, if you guys know one, put it in the comments. So I just spray a little Gots to Be on my edges, and that way it's slick. Because I want it to be slick, and I want it to not move. So, yeah, we're going to tie this thing down. Okay, y'all, so it's time to take this down and see how this is gonna look. I did want to add that I did put a big like a jumbo roller in my hair, in the front because the pin curl wasn't doing it. So I put a jumbo perm rod there, and it turned out so cute, y'all. I am so happy that I did not give up on this hairstyle because it was looking a little iffy, but I love how it turned out. I feel like this is the perfect hairstyle for, this kind of like a birthday hairstyle, Valentine's date night. It's just so cute and classy, and I love it. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Would y'all try this hairstyle? Have y'all had this on natural hair? Because I don't be seeing a lot of my natural girls rocking this hairstyle, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.